In this video I'll show you how to buy USDT on Coinbase. I'll show you how to do so both on Coinbase Beginners and Coinbase Advanced. Before we start, if you're in Europe or the European Union, keep in mind that you cannot buy USDT because Tether failed to comply with the European regulations, at least as of right now. Maybe in the future you will be able to do it, but as of right now you can't. So this is only for those who are outside of the European Union. So once you're on the home page, click on buy, the button at the bottom, and select and type USDT. For me, I'll click on USDC because USDT is not available for me. But you follow the same process, and instead of USDC, click on USDT. Now here you need to choose how much money you want to put in. So let's say you want to put in $100. Here type 100, and then you need to choose how you want to pay for it. So click here, and here you can choose to pay with either your cash wallet or your Google Pay, Apple Pay, any debit card or credit card, Visa, MasterCard. Keep in mind that your cash wallet is the best method because it has the lowest fees, and everything else has higher fees. If you don't know how to deposit money on Coinbase, check out the video I've already made on the channel. So whatever method you choose, click on it, and then click on review order, and then click on buy now. Once everything is done, you'll find your USDT here. Click on this symbol, and you'll find it here under my assets and then crypto. Now I'll show you how to buy USDT on Coinbase Advanced. So go to the home page, click here on the candle button at the top, and with this you switch to Coinbase Advanced. Now once you're on the home page, click here where it says search for a market and type USDT. And then here you'll need to click on USDT followed by your currency. So if you're in the US, USDT USD, the first result. If you're in England or Great Britain, USDT, GBP, whatever your currency is, click on USDT and then your currency. You cannot click on USDT Euro because it will say view only market. So I'll choose USDC Euro. But you do as I said, USDT and then followed by your currency. So once you're on this interface, click on buy. Now here it varies a lot based on your country and your currency. So first thing is always order type. There are mainly two types of order, market and limit. Market means let's buy this cryptocurrency right now. So if you're in the US, that's the only way because USDC and USD is always 1-to-1. So it doesn't make sense to choose limit. So if you're in the US, the only option for you is market, so you'll buy USDT right away. If your currency is not the dollar, then you can also choose limit. Limit means let's buy this cryptocurrency, so in this case USDT, at this specific price. This is something that makes sense only if your currency is not dollars. So not right now the price of USDT is 0.8838 euros. Let's say I want to buy at 0.88 euros. I'll type 0.88 and that's the limit price. Then as always I need to choose the amount of money I want to put in. So let's say I want to put in 100 euros. I'll click here, I'll type 100 euros, click on done, and it will tell me that I'll get 113 USDT. You can also choose how much USDT you want to buy if you want to buy a specific amount of USDT. So click on that button, the currency, toggle to USDT, and let's say I want to buy exactly 100 USDT. I'll type 100, I'll click on done, and then once everything is set, you'll click on buy. Now if you've chosen market as the order type, you'll find your USDT here under portfolio and then overview and then crypto. If the order type was limit, then you will not buy it right away, but the order will be opened and you will buy the USDT once the price reaches the price you've set.